Hi everyone, this is Tonte Dance. I hope you've been enjoying the short videos I've been posting. There've just been some short movements that you can do at home if you're on lockdown at the moment with your family and you just want a short break, you're at work, working from home, you just want to move about, get off the chair for a little bit. You can use them to do that. Make sure you keep your body moving. If you're not working at the moment but you're still at home, it's good with the kids. You can just get up and just to have a quick break, a quick icebreaker with the kids. But these short pieces are actually part of a choreography that I have been doing, and eventually I'm going to bring it all together. And I'm working on some classes so that you can actually follow along with me. But for now, I'm just going to keep posting this little snippets, keep working on them, keep practicing them, because eventually they're going to come together in a piece of choreography, and you're going to recognize some of the movements that I've been teaching you over the past few weeks. Okay, so keep tuned in, enjoy the next video, keep practicing and keep enjoying and keep dancing. This has been Tonte Dance, that's Dance. See you next time. Bye.
Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Down, look up, look down. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1.